Hello student, Veena Dikshit here. Please subscribe my channel if you like my video. Here, which is more basic, pyridine or pyrimidine? Draw the structure first. This is pyridine, only one nitrogen atom, and this lone pair of electron does not take part in the resonance. Here, there are two nitrogen atoms. Okay, so this will not take part in the resonance, it is sure. But here, because of the two nitrogen atoms are here, so electron will try effect in operating over here, so it will making this pyrimidine less basic as compared to pyridine. So pyridine is more basic as compared to pyrimidine because there is only this lone pair of electron is easily available, and it will, when proton is coming to contact with it, it will form pyridinium, and this is conjugate acid. Okay, this is conjugate acid of it, and it is having more pK value. More pK means less acidic. Less acidic means conjugate acid is less acidic. Less acid, so it will be more basic. And here it is, see here pK value is less 1.3, so it is more acidic. So conjugate base will be more. Here it is more acidic, so it will be less basic. Clear? So in this way we can say that pyridine is more basic as compared to pyrimidine. Clear to you? Although two nitrogen atoms are present over here, but still it is less basic as compared to pyrimidine because of the minus I inductive effect of the nitrogen present in it. Clear to you? Two nitrogen atoms are present, so electron withdrawing effect decreases the electron density of nitrogen, so difficult protonation. Now see here, when we compare with aniline, okay, so aniline is also more basic as compared to pyrimidine. Okay, aniline more basic than pyrimidine because of the same reason, electron withdrawing effect operating over here, which decreases availability of lone pair of electron. Clear to you? And now we will discuss about cyclohexylamine. See, this is more basic than aniline. Now we will compare pyridine is more basic than aniline, and all of them. Pyridine is more basic than this aniline or pyrimidine or this. And cyclohexylamine, this is pK is very high, so this is least acidic. Okay, so least acidic means more basic, so cyclohexylamine is more basic as compared to aniline. Cyclohexyl